Hey everybody, my name is Septian. Welcome back to my channel. And these are some earbuds from a company I've never tried before. This UGREEN HiTune True Wireless Earbuds. In front of the box we can see the Bluetooth logo and Qualcomm aptX. Alright, Bluetooth 5.0, 9 hours on a single charge. Touch controls, stereo mono mode, and a Qualcomm chipset. Alright, I'm going to turn it over on the back. Okay, so Bluetooth audio codec supported are Qualcomm aptX, AAC, and SBC. Bluetooth 5.0, so I'm assuming this might have the Qualcomm 3020 chip if it's got aptX on it. And here's the music playback controls. They're the same on the left and the right. It does not look like they have volume control. Oh, that's sad. Okay. Oh, let's open up the box. I'm excited. I've never tried UGREEN before. I think the only person I've seen review these is Sean Talks Tech. That pretty simple box. Not childproof. Okay, we got it's just the user manual. Ooh, this thing is thick. And it's color coded too. Nice. Okay, so let's flip to this page by random. It seems he's got an EQ setting. So you got super bass boost and normal mode. Not bad, not bad, okay. Okay. Let's look at the charging. Ooh, wow. Ain't even got the plastic off of it. I'm impressed. Look at these. Wow, that's a unique shape. I've never seen a shape like that before. I mean, it's pill shaped, but the way that it's... Oh man, that's tight. Okay, these are dot style. Okay. Let's take this film off here and put these back in the case. Let's see if they got some juice to them. Let's see. Yep, they got juice. I like the shape of them. As you can see, I got these spin fit CP360s to the side, so you already know what I'm going to do. Okay, got plenty of battery life. Let's look through the box and see what else we got. Oh man. Okay, it's really hard to get this. Oh man. Wait, how do you take this up out of here? Okay. Oh, it's a box. I thought that was some type of a... Okay, well look at this. So this is where the earbuds were in, and this is basically a box inside of a box. I'm trying to get this stuff up out of here. Alright, there's charging cable. Take it up out of this cornstarch bag. We're gonna have USB-A to USB Type-C. Alright, so these have quick charge support. Let me get the silicone tips up out of here. Okay. And it looks like we got small and large inside the bag. I cannot get this open. Just rip it. There. Let's see what we got. My predictions are always right. I know these are small and large. Oh my Jesus. Will you just come up out of here? Sheesh. Wow. I'm fighting with a bag. Yep, that is large and small. I knew it. Okay. Now, for the creme de la creme. See how they fit in my ears. Wow, they fit in pretty good. Nice and flush. Silicone tips locked in. Passive noise cancellation is good. I can barely hear anything. Nice. Really cool looking earbuds. They look like the Soundpeaks T2. As you can see, they're trying to pair. Blue and white lights blinking back and forth on the left one. Got mics on the front right here. And I think, oh, there's another mic by the charging pins. Okay, got 2 mics. Okay, so 4 mics total. See, if these companies come out with a companion app, they could easily put active noise cancellation on these earbuds. But I don't know why they don't. But this has been the unboxing of the UGREEN HiTune True Wireless Earbuds. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.